welcome. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough of a folio template that's available on CountryMousePrints.com. Links and timestamp are in the description. Right now you are watching a video of me designing a folio using the template in Photoshop. It is a PSD file, so you'll need Photoshop or the design software of your choice that can use a PSD file. Each group you see is a different page of the folio. There are 7 in all. The template is a blank template. It comes with no designs of its own, so you'll need to source graphic elements to use with it. The graphics you see here, the ones at the top, are the ones that I already chose and imported to use with the template. This is a new sort of template for me because it's designed for commercial use. All of my blank templates can be used to design something and sell it, but this one is different because it's a layered PSD file versus flattened JPEG or PDF files. That makes it easier because all the elements are already separated, arranged, and ready to be used with clipping masks. It's also different because it includes a second PSD file, which we will look at after this. You can use it to make instant mockups for Etsy or wherever you are selling your designs. You will need a basic knowledge of Photoshop to use these files. So I've obviously sped up this video and I'm going to let you watch it. My hope is that you can get an idea of what you'll get with this digital template and whether or not it's something that would work for you. In the second half of this video, I'll be back to show you the Etsy mockup PSD file, and I'll use the folio I'm creating now to make my mockups for Etsy so I can show you how it works. So I'm getting close to designing the last page of the folio here, and I want to point out one thing that is important, which is at the very top, you can see in the list of layers, you can see a full page design, and that is the backing paper. That is something that I've already decided is going to be the backing paper, and the backing paper is an important page of the folio that does not have its own template because it is just a 11 by 8.5 full page of paper that people will use to print on the back of other pages so that on the inside of the folio it is not white, but it is a nice neutral coordinating color. And so you will have to decide what your backing paper is going to be, and you should have one You should have that ready to go because you will need it for your folio. Now that I've finished designing my folio, I am going to save my files for my mockup. And the name that you save your files is very important. It's going to become clear why in a moment. But you want to save the backing paper as backing-paper.jpg and the rest of the groups one at a time, the group name. So you want 2 to be 2.jpg, 3 to be 3.jpg, etc. I have finished saving my files off camera and now I am opening the Etsy mockup file. It is a packaged file, so you will get the Photoshop file and then you will get a folder next to it that contains the images that it uses as linked smart objects. Here we are looking inside the PSD file, and here we're looking in the folder at the linked images. And to update the PSD with your designs and to get your mockups, what you want to do is take the images that you just made, which have all the same names as the files in this folder, and replace them. And after you do that, when you open your Photoshop file and the Smart Objects update, you will magically have your mockups ready. You can tell that they have automatically updated here. It takes a while for the file to cycle through updating all of the files. If it doesn't automatically start, you want to um, open up one of the folders, find any image, and just double click to the right of the image and hit Update All Modified Smart Objects, or something similar to that. Here it is, to make them update right there. And you can see we instantly have our mock-up ready. And this is really fun because it can also be sort of the first time that you see exactly what your folio actually looks like put together. And this is also a great time to go back and make changes if you don't like the way something looks or you don't think something goes well together. And here we have the backgrounds which come with it that you can cycle through. Of course, you are more than welcome to upload your own background. And now I'm just going through the different files so you can see them. So they are ready to save and upload to your Etsy listing. And check out the description for a link to the listing for this folio on Etsy. That way you can see exactly what it looks like on Etsy when you use this template to design and sell something. So if you think that this kit could be helpful for you, I hope that you check it out. Mockups like this save so much time and energy, which only give you more time and energy to be creative, which is, I think, what we're all here to do and enjoy. So, thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing and have a great day.